Good evening. I'm Chanel, Vehicle Title Expert. Thank you for tuning in and thank you in advance for subscribing. So tonight I will be talking about myths that comes with getting easy auto titles. I know a lot of you go the route of getting a mechanic lien title done, an abandoned vehicle title done, or even a court ordered title simply because you do not have a title. But I will talk about some myths or things that do fall in place when it comes to utilizing these methods. Now, these methods, the mechanic lien title method, abandoned vehicle title method, or court order, they are legal if you qualify for them. So, stay tuned for important details that I will be sharing and myths pertaining to these three title options. So, let's start with mechanic storage lien titles. A lot of times I get calls, hey Chanel, I want to do a mechanic lien on a vehicle. My buddy has a shop or a tow company. Can I, get him to file this process for me? Absolutely not. Okay. What your buddy is not going to tell you is that if you go the route of using a mechanic storage lien process for a title, there is a chance that the owner or lien holder, if there's a lien, they can come forward. So it's no guarantee you may get the title anyway. This method here is a very popular method, the mechanic storage lien method, but it does not guarantee you the right to get that vehicle. The owner or owners can come forth. Now, if your buddy has a repair shop and he wants to file that mechanic lien for you, the owner or lien holder and even DMV, they're going to want proof of how this person or mechanic come to get this vehicle that they have. And if the owner comes forth, he or she can very well say that they did not give that vehicle over for repairs to that shop in question. Okay, there has to be research done, paperwork, record pulling, things of that nature with mechanic storage liens. So if you want to go this route, please be advised it is no guarantee that you're going to get this title, even though your buddy, the mechanic, may have told you that he can get a title for you, and it's an easy option. Okay, so keep that in mind. The next option, abandoned vehicle title method, is the same. It's not a guarantee that you're going to get this title if it was abandoned on somebody else's property. Okay, keep in mind there is a legal process that you will go through. So if you want to, keep it on somebody's lot just so you can try to have claim to it, you will not, get this vehicle either. I'm reminded of a story some years ago. I had a guy to reach out to me, and he was interested in a vehicle that was abandoned on the property of Walmart. So he wanted us to get an abandoned vehicle title for it. We could not assist him with that because he did not own that property. Even though he wanted the vehicle, he really wanted it for some reason. He felt that he could go that route. He didn't have claim to the property, first of all, that the vehicle was located on. So again, there are processes in place that you must qualify for, regarding these methods. So for the abandoned vehicle title option, if you are not the property owner of that vehicle in question, or if you feel that you just want to take the vehicle in question and put it on someone's property that you know, and let it sit and think that you can file for an abandoned vehicle title for this option as well, no guarantee that you'll get the title. Same thing, the owner or lien holders on record must be notified, and if they come forward, you will be without a vehicle because they can legally claim that vehicle and have it removed. Okay, and lastly, when it comes to court order titles, if you go to court, the judge wants to know what right or claim do you have to the vehicle in question. Okay, so a research trail pertaining to the vehicle will be done. You must present your case and give strong evidence or grounds for why you should have that title. And it's still no guarantee. Okay. So, keep that in mind. I know you guys hear a lot of these three options that I shared, the mechanic storage lien title option, the abandoned vehicle title option, court order title option. You've been told that these are easy options or methods to get titles. It's not so much as what's easy when it comes to title processing, but you have to go about it a legal way. And the question is, do you qualify for any of these options in question? Okay, so please, do not engage the myths that you hear pertaining to these options of getting titles. You must qualify. And if you choose to listen to a friend or someone else that's trying to go this route for you, it is possible and likely that you may not get that title in question. In DMV, they do audit title work thoroughly, and they, audit it often. Okay, so there's not a quick way to get a title if you don't have a title, for that vehicle. There is a process that, you will have to comply with. Okay, so if you have any questions pertaining to any of these title methods or options that I shared tonight, feel free to drop me a line. If you are currently involved with a mechanic storage lien, abandoned vehicle, or a court order title matter, and you're getting a runaround or you're having a legal situation, feel free to reach out to me as well at wisdomandauthority.com. Thank you so much for tuning in to the segment this evening. Please check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Click, share, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to hear from you soon.